So today we are gonna take a little ride up to Clark and do a little logging. We're going to, what's the place called?
Naong Filipino.
And what is that place all about?
Like a historical place.
Historical place. What is it? What is it doing? What kind of history? I mean,
It comes from Filipino culture, like old house before, old church inside. I think there's an old church.
All right. Okay, guys. On the left here, we're just passing SM Clark Mall. On the left here, they are building another mall called Alaya Mall, right? Ayala Mall, sorry. Ayala Mall, and it's huge. See how long this building is? I mean, it takes 2 minutes at 60 kilometers an hour to go across this whole building. It goes all the way here. You still see it to the left here. All right, we're coming up to the Clark Gate, so I'm gonna get us through here, and coming up on the right here is the what do you call it? The memorial, Veterans Memorial, and that goes back to the history from the Second World War, I believe.
Yeah, those are the fallen soldiers.
All right, come along for the ride a little bit. All right, to the right here, if you make a right here, but we're going straight, but if you make a right here and go down maybe 1 kilometer or so, you have Clark Medical.
Yeah, medical city.
And you can also access SETEX to Subic and Manila from there as well.
Yeah.
Clark has developed quite a bit, and you will see today when we drive around a little bit. We're kind of doing 2 sections today. The time is too short to cover the entire Clark area with a 10-15 minute video. It's a little tight. But anyway, if you look straight ahead, you can see the mountain range. There is a little haze today, so I don't know if you guys can see it really clear, but you can see the mountains, and back in there somewhere you have Mount Pinatubo, as it's called, right?
Mm-hmm.
And they just opened another gate here to the left. As you're coming just before this underpass here on the left side, you have a gate going down to Don Yuico, and you can get down the walking street that way or up to Friendship Highway.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're coming up here to the right. We have Clark International Airport. That is turning out to be a pretty big airport too. When I leave and I go out of the country, I leave from here. Very convenient. When I go to Europe, I fly Emirates, and they're coming in here. Yeah, to the left here is, I think they call it the Friendship Gate.
Yes.
And to the right, again, you have the airport. This area has been developing quite a bit also over the last couple of years. And the airport has been improved over the last 4 or 5 years. Quite a bit, actually. So it's kind of fun to see. All right, so when we get up here to the next light, we're gonna turn towards the airport. I have never personally been up to this place. Have you been there before, the historical place?
No.
Okay.
Naong Filipino?
Yeah, Naong Filipino. All right, well, we looked on the map, so we think we can find it. It was just like a little tricky here, but I think we found it. We'll find it. Alright, so we're going to take off and turn right here, go towards the airport, pass through what's called, I guess it's called Air Force City, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, Air Force City. And once we get up here, they have like a little park with where they keep the historical aircrafts. You could say they're historical by now, from the 40s and 50s and maybe even earlier, I don't know. But there's a lot of aircrafts out there. I don't know for those of you that remembers the Vietnam War with the helicopters. I think the transport helicopters, I think they have one of those there. It looks like there's a lot of people out there today, hon.
Yeah. It's because it's an Easter Sunday today.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. A little traffic, I guess they're going to the airport, but it shouldn't be too bad today.
On the left side, on the right side is a barracks.
Yeah, that was kind of the military barracks before, right?
Until now.
They still use. Yeah, the Philippine Army is still using this area, right?
Yeah.
That's right. The Americans left here when, I think when Pinatubo erupted, and then the Americans left here. And somebody told me the other day that looters were rampant right after, and a lot of the items were sold at the Marine Arcade down there from the Air Force base there. Alright, so we're coming up on I think the main entrance for the airport on the right hand side here. But we're gonna just continue straight ahead. If you're riding motorcycle, you're actually not allowed to go inside the airport.
Correct.
You have to take a jeepney, or trikes are not even allowed, right?
No.
No trikes, no nothing.
Car is allowed, jeep is allowed.
Car and jeeps.
Trike and motorcycle is not allowed.
Right. Yeah, today, guys, is a blistering hot day. Again, 35, 36 degrees. And It's almost getting a little painful, actually.
Oh yeah, because we're wearing a white t-shirt, it goes to my bones.
Yeah.
The heat is going to.
Yeah.
I can feel the heat on my skin burning.
Yeah, so we're coming up.
Plus a little bit traffic, it goes more and more painful.
Here's the entrance to the airport. We were a little too early at the other light. Yeah, this is the entrance right here to the airport. So we were a little too early for that one.
Mm-hmm.
I'd never gone this way before. What is that? Hohem barbecue? Is that like Korean barbecue or something?
Shabu shabu.
What is shabu shabu?
Okay, shabu shabu. Like
What does that
you
mean?
choose lots of lots of ingredients like Korean.
Oh, like buffet or something?
Yeah.
Oh.
You choose anything you like.
Alright, this guy is in a hurry. I better let him go. We gotta be there almost now, right? It's
Yeah, we just drive straight that one. Ah no. I need to turn right or straight.
that's what I'm not 100% sure of, but let's go straight and figure it out.
Yeah, I think we go straight. Yeah, straight.
I think you could possibly have gone down to the right. Let's go straight and figure it out.
I think we're almost there in Naong, Filipina.
Yeah, I wasn't sure. I thought we might have missed it, but I think this is the way to go.
Yeah, we are in the right track.
Yeah, it is straightforward there.
Yeah, I read the sign that Naong Filipino Street.
Okay.
Yeah, on the right side it's an K9.
Oh yeah, that's the that was famous. Somebody somebody dug that up or something happened to it, right? Do you remember?
Yeah.
All right, so what's going on here? Police cars on the other side. It's like,
Yeah, because their traffic light is not working.
it looks like they were driving with some kind of security escort or something.
Yeah.
Alright, well, let's go. We can't be very far now.
No, I think it's like 500 meters.
Oh, okay. Let's see.
Yeah. We're almost there.
Alright, there it is. There's a lot of manufacturing going on out here too. Big factories. You have the Chinese company here, or Filipino company, sorry, putting together trucks and all kinds of stuff out here. All right, here it is. Where we go here?
Turn left.
Left in the gate.
That's the entrance.
Yeah, well, it looks really empty today. Gates are down. It doesn't look good, huh? It might be closed. Let's find out. Jump up there and ask them a question.
Okay.
All right, guys. That's it for now. They are unfortunately closed today, so we are going to wrap this one up for now, and we'll have to give a little sad face, but it'll be all right. All right. God bless. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We will come out with a second part here today, because we're going to continue driving a little bit and go and look. There's a lot of new construction going on, and I'd like to see it and drive by there. God bless. Take care. See you soon.